My name is Jaroslaw Kosak and I'm an owner and CEO of Technology Applied, a Polish leading supplier located in Białystok, Poland. Technology Applied specializes in the contract production of plastic parts. We are an ISO 9001 certificated supplier of parts ranging from single parts up to low and short batches. What characterizes us is an individual approach for every client, a dedicated technical support, an automated self-evaluation system, and of course the full DyeMansion workflow. The Polish market is currently one of the fastest developing markets in United Europe. Due to anti-globalization trend, Poland became the great alternative for production in Far Eastern countries. In Technology Applied, we use only high-end and high-quality equipment. SLS technology supplied by EOS and multi-jet fusion technology supplied by HP, and whole processing system supplied by DyeMansion, including cleaning, polishing, chemical smoothing and deep dyeing, all of this integrated in free-your-mind mesh systems that allow us to control the production from its beginning to its final steps with all the quality control. As a contract manufacturer, we serve a wide range of industries, from medical equipment up to the defense industries. This is the thing that makes the additive manufacturing so fascinating, that we can bring something new to almost every industry that we serve. But also we can learn a lot from every industry that we serve too. Additive technology industry is growing in an alarming rate. The technologies are competing with each other and almost every year brings something new to the industry. From some time we start to receive from our customers the information that 3D printing parts are just not enough, we need something more. That's why we decide to implement the full DyeMansion system. From now on we can produce the parts that are not only the printed itself, but there are, after the whole post-processing, the final grade parts can be used even as the final product, end-use product. Currently, our vision for Technology Applied is to step beyond the 3D printing. I would like to make the Technology Applied the place where the engineer can order the parts from the wide range of technologies in the easy and trouble-free way.